Shocking! Fearless Nnamdi Kanu takes another unexpected action against DSS DG. See what he did that surprised everyone. Good day, my people. Welcome once again to the news channel, and this is the headlines for today. As Nnamdi Kanu has shocked everyone with the unexpected action he took against the Department of State Services. By the way, this is Afris Concept TV, where you get the latest and the hottest news. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure to do that now. And if you are a returning subscriber, we say welcome to you. Listen to the news info. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has initiated a contempt charge against Yusuf Bichi, the Director General of the Department of State Services, for allegedly refusing to obey court orders. The charge was filed by Kanu's lawyer, Aloy Ejimako, on the Federal High Court FHC in Abuja on Monday under the title Notice to Show Cause Why an Order of Committal Should Not Be Made. The application marked FHC ABJCR 383-2015 was dated and filed on June 10. What are your thoughts on these issues? The News Agency of Nigeria reports that the Federal Republic of Nigeria is named as the complainant and first respondent, while Yusuf Magaji Bichi is the second respondent and alleged contemnor. Kanu has accused Bichi of ignoring the orders issued by Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja on May 20. These orders include several provisions designed to ensure Kanu's rights while he is in DSS custody. Specifically, Justice Nyako declined Kanu's application to overturn his 2017 bail revocation, which was based on allegations that he had jumped bail. Furthermore, the judge did not grant Kanu's request to be transferred to Kuje Correctional Center or be placed under house arrest. However, the judge did make modifications to the conditions under which Kanu could receive visits from his lawyers at the DSS facility. In her ruling, Justice Nyako adjusted the visitation schedule, increasing the number of days Kanu's lawyers could visit from 2 to 3 per week. Additionally, she ordered that Kanu be provided with a safe and clean room to prepare for his defense, allowing him to meet with up to 5 lawyers instead of the previously permitted 3. The judge also mandated that Kanu and his legal team be given the necessary facilities to prepare for his defense, including the ability to take notes and have unrestricted access to relevant documents. The application filed by Ejimako includes specific allegations of non-compliance against Bichi. The notice read in part, "Take note that the defendant will on the day in 2024 at the hour of 9 o'clock in the forenoon apply to this court for an order for your committal to prison for having disobeyed the order of this court made on the 20th day of May 2024, which stated in pertinent part as follows. You have not complied with the 3 days per week visitation to the applicant as was ordered by the court. You have not provided a safe and clean room to the applicant at the present facility to prepare for his defense with his team of counsel." Notice further accuses Bichi of failing to allow the facilities required for Kanu's defense preparation, claiming that these facilities have been disallowed during every visitation since the court order was issued. It lists specific actions by the DSS, including the interdiction, seizure, perusal, and photocopying of legal documents related to Kanu's trial preparation. The notice concludes with a reminder to Bichi of the prior Form 48 Notice of Consequences of Disobedience to Court, served on May 31st, 2024, and states, "By not retracing your steps after you were on the 31st day of May 2024 served with a Form 8 Notice of Consequences of Disobedience to Court and take further notice They are hereby required to attend the court on the first mentioned day to show why an order for your committal should not be made. The legal battle between Nnamdi Kanu and the Nigerian government has been ongoing for several years, marked by numerous court cases and widespread public interest. Kanu's arrest and detention have been particularly contentious, with supporters alleging human rights violations and procedural injustices. The current contempt charge against Bichi highlights the continuing legal and political complexities surrounding Kanu's case. Kanu's team argues that the DSS alleged non-compliance with court orders represents a significant breach of judicial authority and Kanu's right. They maintain that the court's directives are clear and that Bichi's failure to implement them necessitates the contempt proceedings. This situation underscores the broader issue of rule of law and the enforcement of judicial decisions in Nigeria. It also raises important questions about the accountability of security agencies and the protection of individual rights within the Nigerian legal system. And yes, that is the news for today, as we see that following the court ruling by Justice Binta Onyeko, the DSS have refused to obey the rulings and are still being extremely strict with Nnamdi Kanu. Don't forget to like this video, comment under this video, let us know what you think about this case, and click on the subscribe button to get notified whenever we post a new content.